Alright, so we have a train setup, just a small one today. Let's get that power. This is HO scale. We're going to go through the different trains here. So here we have this Shop and Save Pennsylvania Railroad. Let's try and focus that a bit. And there we go. That's better. Next up, we have a New York Central. Will that focus? There we go. 1066 NS. Sorry about the blur. As you can see, this is New York Central, and there's the front of it. Here we have a Conrail train. Here's the front. And yeah, that's the Conrail. And then up next, we have this Pennsylvania Railroad train. As you can see, Pennsylvania Railroad. And up next, we have a Union Pacific. There's that. And there's the front. Some of these trains might have been broken a little. Like as you can see, this one, well, you really can't see. But this one, that Santa Fe, that one actually doesn't work. So you'll see later in the video, we're going to have to not use that one. Sorry. Then here we have the Union Pacific and the Pennsylvania Railroad train. This is the smaller Pennsylvania Railroad train. It's working a little. It's kind of seems to go like, well, that was weird. Seems to go on and off a little. I don't know. I wonder why. So yeah, that is the Union Pacific and Pennsylvania Railroad, the smaller one. And as you can see here, we cannot use the Santa Fe train. It was not working whenever we were testing. So we have the Shop and Save Pennsylvania Railroad train. This is the bigger Pennsylvania Railroad train that we have. Let's keep going. That one's working, sort of. We're going pretty fast, actually. Wow, nice. Let's keep that going. Now, up next, we are going to have the Conrail and the New York Central. As you can see, we have the Conrail and the New York Central, as I just said. It's sort of working. The New York Central actually does have sound, which is pretty cool. DCC sound. That one's working pretty good. Both of them. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one. Bye. If you can't comment, that might not be available. Thank you.